first, let's try out the winning Live Smarter tips. So I was in a video with the gorgeous Marianne where I played a guy that did a couple of hacks, impressed her so much when I got down my knee, she had to marry me. So, during the shoot, Marianne basically said, I can't do household chores. Today, I prove her wrong. The hack we're gonna try is Joanna's. Thank you very much for sending it in. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be cutting open some oranges. We're gonna be peeling open the fruit itself, and what we want is just the peel. Lemons as well. Once all your peels are inside, you grab some vinegar, generously. Get some water with the baking soda. We're gonna do about 5 teaspoons. 4, 5. I'm gonna shake it in. So we let this sit overnight, and what you have tomorrow morning is a concoction that looks like this. Without further ado, I will now get to some cleaning. Mop, mop. Hey, Marianne, you see this? What am I doing? Mopping.
How's the mopping going?
You tell me, how's it feel?
I was pleasantly surprised. I thought that it was going to be sticky or you would have that strange residue, but actually it's not.
The camera's right over there. I believe you have something to tell Marianne.
Okay, Marianne, I think he proved you wrong. Jeremy actually mopped my entire apartment. It smells good, it's not sticky. He did a pretty good job. So well done, Jeremy.
That's right.
Well done, sir.
Thank you very much. Now, Michael, a couple of things.
Yes.
The leftover liquid, you can use it to water your plants because it's 100% organic.
Very cool.
And second thing, clean your own house next time. This fella.